Tell me your name.
Maverick.
Maverick, and you're going to be the video man, right?
Yeah.
For International Peace Day, we have our Native American drum. We have our dancers here.
Oh my God.
It was a celebration of the Peace Day today. All the kids went outside after hanging a little peace dove on the wall.
I made it like a rainbow because I think those are peaceful to me.
Yeah. And you're going to hang it up now?
Everyone went outside, got in a big circle. Some guy was running around with a drum and dancers. I don't know what that was about, but it sounded pretty good. Then everyone sang a couple songs together.
I got love like the ocean. I got love like the ocean. I got love like the ocean in my soul.
Hit the gong for a minute of silence, resting in peace, resting in the peace that is in your heart. Peace is a flame in your heart. Montessori schools have an excellent peace education unit, and it honors the light of the child, and it says that each of us has a light within. And especially in the earliest years of childhood, if the teacher or parent can reflect back to the child that essential love, the child will grow and nurture and become a caring, loving adult in a peaceful world.
So happy to be here on International Peace Day. How about a silent round of applause for International Peace Day? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about this band up here? Band, take a few bows, band. Or curtsies. Don't forget the curtsies. If you like curtsies, band, bring...
So we want to send out peace to all our brothers and sisters all around the world. We want to send peace from our heart, where peace lives. Blessings on International Peace Day, 2017. Aho Mitakuyasin.